Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a product I've been using. It is called PowerBond Professional Strength Hair Plex Technology. This product is actually becoming more and more popular right now. I feel like if you bring that, you don't even have to really explain what this is. Say you bring this into a salon and you give this to the hairdresser, she'll know exactly what to do with it. Depending, I'm in New York, so I know that that's the case here, but depending on where you are, I'm assuming that most hairstylists will probably know what this is. One of my girlfriends works at a very busy salon, and she knows all about this. She's like, it's perfect for preventing and repairing hair breakage. And basically what you do with it is you mix it right in with your hair color. So I feel like my hair is so damaged from over the years. I guess I had like wavy, kind of like somewhat frizzy hair growing up, and then I had always tried several different treatments. I had tried the Japanese hair treatment, which just straightens your hair and works great for that, but then it starts growing out at the root, and I don't even think that's something that's around anymore. I mean, we're talking back like in 2002, so many years ago, and it completely killed my hair. I realized over the years, when you're young, you don't realize the damage you're doing to your hair with all the dyeing, and I had bleach in my hair because I used to highlight it blonde all the time, and that really severely damaged it. And then on top of using blow dryer and straightening iron and curling iron and crimper and not keeping up with haircuts the way that I should, so all of these things basically damaged my hair. But PowerBond works amazing to prevent and repair hair breakage. So you could, if you go get your hair dyed at the salon, you could just bring this right in and you can give it to the hairdresser, and she will probably know what to do with it. It's a one-step process. It's net weight 0.70 ounce, 20 grams. There's actually another product on the market. I forget what it's called, but it's probably the most popular one right now, but it's a lot more expensive, and this one works just as well. You could just order this online, super easy. So for the directions: dramatically reduces the harmful effects of chemical treatments by following the instructions below. Apply 1 unit dose to every 60 grams of coloring cream. First, mix the coloring cream with the developer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then add 1 unit dose, mix thoroughly, and proceed as usual. Apply 2 unit doses to every 30 grams of bleaching powder. First, mix the bleaching powder with the developer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then add 2 unit doses, mix thoroughly, and proceed as usual. So if you're dyeing your hair at home, you can just measure out the 60 grams of coloring cream and then add 1 unit dose. And I'm going to open this up in a second and show you what they look like. Warning: keep out of reach of children, avoid contact with eyes. If an adverse reaction occurs, stop use. If adverse reaction continues, get medical assistance for external use only. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center immediately. Only use as directed. Ingredients: water and butylene glycol, bis-PCA dimethicone, and sodium PEG-12 dimethicone sulfosinate, and aminomethylpropanol. Manufactured for Active Hair LLC, 16 Mount Bethel Road, number 230 in Warren, New Jersey. www.powerbondhair.com. Awesome website. It tells you so much info about the product. If you're not really sure about it, you guys can find more info online. What I immediately saw in the results with this hair color, and I dye my mom's hair, so I actually use this on her and it works great. She loves it. What I immediately saw on myself when I mix this in with my hair color is, usually, I don't know if it's the case for you guys, but I use like Garnier hair dye or whatever kind, and usually for a couple days after, it's so frizzy and my hair just kind of sticks up after, and I don't know why it has that effect. Hair dye has that effect on my hair, but it does, and for whatever reason it drives me crazy, of course. And when I use this and I mix this with my coloring cream, I'm telling you, that did not happen at all. So I think it's just a really great product that just helps repair damage and helps against damage for your hair. So this is what they look like. This is the 5 unit doses. Of course, I already used one in my hair and plus a whole nother box, but I have 4 left in this pack, so I can dye my hair about 4 more times with these. This is the PowerBond Professional Strength Hair Plex Technology, so it's in here. I would open it up right now, but I'm not. I think it might go bad. Not dyeing my hair at the moment. I'm trying to dye it less. I just recently like dyed my hair all dark brown, my natural color, just to get rid of the highlights, so I don't have to keep up with the highlights and the bleach anymore. So it comes with these. So really easy. You just snap this off, and then to open it, you just snap this off. Super easy. And then this part will be open, and then you could just mix that right in with your coloring cream, or you can have your stylist do it, whatever you choose. I forget if it's either a white or clear color inside here, but it doesn't smell too strong. I mean, your hair dye will smell a lot worse than this will, that's for sure. And I bought this back in August, and it expires in August 2019. So I ordered it online, and give me about a year to use. So this is a really great product if you guys want to read up on it more, or if you guys just want to prevent and repair hair breakage due to coloring. I'm telling you guys, mix this in with your coloring cream if you're at home, or if you want to have your hairstylist do it, it's up to you. But I swear by this product, and I really hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope you'll try some PowerBond. Thanks for watching.